Hi guys, in this quick tip I will explain to you how to create common type of reusable templates using smart object layers in Adobe Photoshop. The first step is to create design or layout. Usually design or layout have static elements which never change and elements which need a replacement. The second step in this process is to convert layer or layers with elements which need replacement to smart object layers. Conversion can be done using a right-click on layer, convert to smart object, or from a layer menu, smart objects, convert to smart object. Save your file in PSD file format and use it at any time you want. There are a couple of options available to replace content on smart object layer. One of the most popular options is to double-click on smart object layer thumbnail to edit its content. Another way to edit smart object content is from Properties panel. When new tab with smart object content opens, go to File, Place Embedded or Place Linked, then navigate to File and double-click on it. Adjust the size to cover entire canvas, then confirm on Enter or Return. You can also copy and paste content from any open document or to drag file from Explorer or Finder. You can also merge layers using Ctrl or Command plus E. Lastly, click on X in the right corner of Document tab and confirm on Yes. The second option is to use a right-click on Smart Object layer, replace contents, navigate to file which you want to use for a replacement and double-click on it. After replacing content, you can press Ctrl or Command plus T to scale, rotate and reposition content of the smart object layer. The third option which I want to demonstrate is to record action to automate process of replacing content on smart object layer. Thanks for watching and cheers! If you like my videos, please share them with your friends and subscribe to my channel.